a safe way to organize. It's myOrganized.life live, December 18th, 2019. And welcome to you and you and you and you and
you. Hello, Elf. How'd that get there?
I have no idea. The elf has been
He's been hanging around your office.
My office for has it been the whole month? It seems like it's been a long time. What's that called? Elf on a shelf?
Yep.
Some creative person here went on Pinterest and got all these ideas. So every day I come in, there's a different elf configuration.
Yeah. The other day was pretty funny when he was up against your wall wrapped in a spider web.
They had a spider web and the elf was wrapped and the spiders were coming after him.
That was cute.
Kind of dark, actually.
What were some other ones?
Well, there was the growing the candy cane. So day one was just the
planting
sugar,
the seeds,
planting the little Tic Tacs that had the candy cane on them. And then the next day I came in and they had sprouted candy canes. By the way,
that's cute.
This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and an elf on a shelf.
Yeah.
Except this is an elf in a basket.
No, it's a cage.
Elf
in a bird cage.
Yeah.
He's cute.
I wonder if we could feed it at all.
Let him bite you.
Ooh, be careful about that. Hey, well, at least I was trying to be safe there.
Right, and he's safe all in that cage.
He is. But we're talking about a safe way to organize because you know what happens sometimes?
No.
It's a risky business when you use one of those fastener folders.
Yes.
That has those fasteners on them, and you can accidentally cut yourself. And
so we're talking about safety as in you won't get hurt, but also safety for your papers.
Oh. How do you keep your papers safe?
Well,
what do you have there? We should put a slide up on this first.
This is a classification folder, a Safe Shield classification folder.
And the number
is 14081. This is the light blue model.
Comes in lots of colors. Also comes in multiple different dividers.
This one is special though because it has.
Why is it special?
Because the dividers are not only dividers; they are pocket dividers.
Ooh.
So we've got the fasteners. Let me see.
How many surfaces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 filing surfaces.
Ooh.
Plus the bonus.
Two
pockets.
2 pockets here as well.
So you've technically got 8 places to store things.
Now, does this thing have some expansion to it? Look
at
that.
A little bit of expansion, yes.
Because I would think you could put a lot of papers in there.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Can fit a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, and see, if you had papers in there, look at here.
We have some two-hole punch papers.
2-hole punch. Wow, and these
look at this. Maybe you should zoom in on this fastener. Bring that up to the camera.
I'm going to take it up to this camera right here.
Yes, please do.
There we go.
So look it's purple. It's got this purple coating on it, and it's not going to cut your fingers.
No,
look at that. I just slid it right across.
It's called Safe Shield. That is a Smeed.
Here, let me take it from
whoa.
Careful.
Yeah, that is a Smeed trademark.
It's patented, yep.
And you can't cut your fingers on that, which is nice.
And it's nice because it doesn't tear the paper too.
So now let's assume you have your papers already 2-hole punched, which we do here.
Take them, plop them right in there. Let's see. Fold them over.
There we go. Look at
No
that.
cuts, no Band-Aids needed.
And look how nice that is. Oops, I dropped it. I guess I didn't because it can't go anywhere.
And then for the stuff that you don't want hole punched,
yes, you can
take it and you put it right in this little pocket here.
Nice.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
That is great.
It's a really good solution for people that use fastener folders a lot but still need.
Yeah. Now you see fastener folders a lot in medical clinics and some of those places, but I think you can use this for project management.
Oh, totally. You could.
Do you know too, this is one of our bigger selling products?
I did not know that.
Yeah. Especially, and you probably didn't know this either because you probably just grabbed the blue one. The blue one is one of the most popular colors.
Wow, I did not know that.
Yeah, so you happen to grab one of the most popular selling classification folders. They're tough.
Sturdy too. Yep. They're tough. You've got this reinforcement.
Yep.
Tear resistant.
Nice.
You put a lot of stuff in this bad boy.
Yeah, and that is a project. Maybe that's going to be your project folder for the coming year. Get your whole year organized. Oh, and look at this. You didn't mention this because, this is a nice thing, but you can also file this in a file cabinet. And you have
cut tab.
Yeah, there you go. So this is a great thing. Let's put the slide up one more time for this. It is 14081, a Safe Shield classification folders. This one with 2 dividers and
pocket
pockets.
dividers, actually.
My goodness, that is
Awesome.
quite the deal.
Really like
That is
this
quite the
product.
solution.
It's a really nice.
As we get closer to this new year, we got to have more solutions for how to manage all these projects.
All the projects.
Because, we got a lot of stuff going on, right?
We do. Yep.
Now, we only have one more show this year.
Yes, we do.
That's tomorrow, Blogger Roundup,
Your favorite
show.
show and mine.
And mine.
Yep.
Yeah, but, and I would imagine you're gonna be working some of the days over the break, right?
Some of the days I have off.
So you'll probably get like the show calendar for January done, I'm sure.
I suppose if you want the show calendar for January,
and you could put it right here in the very front of this, 2-hole punch it, and then it can't get lost.
That's right. And
And
then,
then
what am I going to put in the other
Well,
parts?
you could put
So that'd
like
be kind of a waste.
podcast notes in there. You could put in solutions for Solution Day.
That's true. But that's usually on the whole calendar.
I
But
know,
yeah, that's
you
not
could
a
do
bad
well. You
idea.
could do a lot of things. Well,
Okay.
but I know you also use the 24 pocket organizer
I
too.
do.
So
That's one of my favorites
But,
too. Gosh, this is really slick.
this might be good for the upcoming image project
Ooh.
because that's going to have a lot of stuff
big
going on. That's a big project.
Yep.
We'll get into that maybe
for
someday, another day. But tomorrow we want to invite you back. Last Blogger Roundup of the year. Tomorrow the Secret Santas get revealed here. Ooh, that'll be kind of fun.
Do you have any idea who yours is?
I have no idea.
Me neither. I have a couple maybes.
You do?
Well, I don't know. I just have a feeling.
Yeah,
But
and I didn't. It's how many people were involved? Was both CCD
sure.
and sale or
Marketing, yeah.
involved?
Yep.
So there's a lot of people. Could be, and did just about everybody participate? Do you know?
I think all but 2 or 3.
Oh wow. Well, it's going to be big news
Lots
here
of
tomorrow.
gifts floating around.
Yes, little things. It's fun, especially for those like me who like coffee and getting all these coffee cards.
Yeah, you
Gotta love it.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Well, that's
Tomorrow?
it. 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, right here, myOrganized.life live. Look professional. Get organized at myOrganized.life. Give your presentation a premium appearance. Hand off projects with confidence. Organizing products with a clean and vibrant look. Make a positive impression. Your important proposals and projects shine with professionalism. Impress your customers and boss. Look professional. Get organized at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.